How to delete all spam messages in Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can delete all spam messages on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete all spam messages in Messenger, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all just make sure to launch the Messenger application here. Once you launch the Messenger app, let's say that you've received so many spam messages and now you'd like to delete them. It is very simple. What you need to do is just tap the three lines option that you can find from the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three lines option from the top left, over here you'll find this option known as message request. Just go to it. But by default, right over here you'll be able to see all of these default addresses, which you can go ahead and simply delete them. But if you want to find the spam ones, you can just come to spam over here, and this Facebook thinks that this is actually a spam message for you. So what you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and long press on the spam message, tap on delete right over here, and it'll ask you to delete this entire conversation. You can go ahead and delete them. You can repeat the process for all the other spam messages that you might want to proceed with. This way you can delete all spam messages in Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.